I'm going to quickly demonstrate incorrect and correct ways to sanitize the gym. If the sprayer nozzle is set for a stream, that is the incorrect setting for our sanitizer sprayer. You want to tighten the knob almost till it's completely closed to get a fine mist to use when we're spraying down our equipment. As you're moving through the gym, lightly spray all surfaces that have been touched or used after a class has left. Here you'll see me going down the trampoline and sanitizing the landing mat as well. Please pay close attention to the distance of the sprayer held towards the equipment. You will see I'm lifting the sprayer about 1 to 2 feet above the equipment to give it a fine mist as we are sanitizing. Additionally, please pay close attention to sanitizing all straps that are used to suspend our swinging equipment. This is a very important part of our sanitizing process because hands touch the straps frequently. Here you will see that I'm rotating the blue swing to make sure that we're sanitizing all areas of it, as well as the bar surfaces. When you go to the rainbow wheel, make sure that you're spraying the inside of the handles as well as the trampoline bed. Next, I'm moving on to the floor, and again, I'm holding the sprayer several feet above the equipment. I'd like you to also take note of any tunnels that we have been using in the gym. Since children's faces go through the tunnels, be sure to sanitize the underneath part of the tunnel during your cleaning process. The purpose of holding the sanitizer several feet above the equipment is to allow the sanitizer to create a fine mist that coats the entire piece of equipment. If the sprayer is set on a stream mode, not the entire surface of our equipment is being sanitized, and then it requires us to mop. With this fine mist and holding it several feet above the equipment, you're still coating everything with our hospital grade sanitizer, yet the fine mist allows for the cleaner to dry quickly and reduces the amount of time that we'll need to use mopping the gym. We'll do a mop through once every night, but during our daily interim cleanings, please just do a quick fine mist to allow time to dry without mops in between classes.